Back to basics. Number 3, foam rolling. Now, I'm calling this back to basics because this is stuff that I've been saying for 10 years. It's evolved and changed a little bit as I've worked with people. But foam rolling does not involve rolling, and it should not hurt. This is really important, okay? If I were to take my elbow on the side of your leg and push really hard during a massage from the knee to the hip, how relaxed is your leg going to be? It's not going to be relaxed, right? It's going to tense up because the pressure is painful and your body is protecting itself. So why on earth do we think that foam rolling being painful is going to be beneficial? It's not. And that's why you have all these people saying that you shouldn't foam roll, because foam rolling with a lot of pressure and a lot of pain will actually make your muscles tighter. Now, I have some resources for you so you can get better at your foam rolling that are free, or of course you can come into the clinic and get a session with us. So number 1, if you go to our website, we have a runner's resource page, which is, basically for anybody who does any kind of work with their legs and wants to learn how to foam roll painlessly. There is a free foam rolling workshop. It's 30 minutes. You do it with us. And then we also have a video on how to foam roll painlessly on our YouTube channel. So check those out, link in bio, and let me know how you go.